Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering gear and verifying access. Plug the correct console cable into the device and your adapter, then connect to your computer. Open your terminal program and set serial parameters to 9600, 8, no parity, 1-stop bit. This ensures clear communication. Once connected, power on the device if needed and watch the terminal for boot output. If you see scrambled text, check the baud rate immediately. Correcting that is usually the first fix to get a readable session. You now move into the interactive session. When prompted, press Enter or the break key to stop auto boot if you need ramen or boot options. Log in with your administrative account and elevate to privileged mode using Enable or Sudo. This gives you configuration access. Make targeted changes carefully, set interface parameters, adjust host names, or apply startup configs. Once done, save to startup config so changes persist. Also, enable session logging to capture output for later review if something goes wrong. You finish by validating changes and securing your session. Run show commands to verify running configuration and software versions, compare against expected values, and then write memory or copy running config to startup config. When closing, exit gracefully and disconnect the console cable. If the console stops responding, make sure the adapter drivers are installed, the correct COM port is selected, and baud settings match. If necessary, use the device's break sequence or recovery mode to restore access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.